Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain you block and tackle system. Okay, in previous lecture we have already discussed about the system of pulleys or combination of pulleys, combination of one fixed pulley and some movable pulleys. Here block and tackle system. See, in the block and tackle system there is a rigid support and there are two blocks. One which is fixed with rigid support is said to be upper block, having some pulleys or several pulleys are there. Several pulleys are there. There may be two pulleys or more than two pulleys. It is a block having pulleys which is attached with a rigid support, that is called upper block, and there is another block in lower side that is called lower block. Here in lower block the number of pulleys may be equal to a number of upper block pulleys, or here the number of pulleys in lower block may be one less than that of number of pulleys in upper block. Okay, here in lower block which is movable, this lower block having some pulleys is movable while upper block is fixed. Okay, so here in lower block number of pulleys may be equal to the number of pulleys in upper block, or it may be there may be one less number of pulleys than the number of pulleys in upper block. Okay, here number of pulleys in lower block will never be greater than the number of pulleys in lower block. Means here the number of pulleys will always be either one less than the upper block or equal to the number of upper block pulleys. Okay, now see, a rope is passing, a single rope will pass over all pulleys, a single rope. Just see, so you will start from uppermost pulley. This is a rope, here effort at one end we can apply the effort, and another end that is passing over this, and starting from here it will pass through the lowermost pulley. Thereafter from here, okay, it will pass through this, coming down it will pass through it. Now see here, now it will be connected or tied with the hook of upper block, okay, it is tied with the hook of upper block. So this is the system, and here the load is tied with the lower block, a load is tied here, load that has to be overcome will be tied here. This is your load. Is it clear? So this system of pulleys is said to be block and tackle system, where there are two blocks, upper block and lower block, having several number of pulleys. Upper block is fixed with or connected with rigid support, while lower block is movable, and one end of this lower block will tie the load, and there is a single rope passing over all of the pulleys. That's why the tension everywhere will remain same. How the tension will act, I am showing starting from here. Since load is acting downward, so here near this pulley there will be tension T, here also tension T, and thereafter over this pulley this is tension T, and here at this tension T. We have to take the tension in the string passing over lower pulleys, okay, or lower block, since the load is tied with lower block. That's why from here total downward force is load in equilibrium what will happen? Here this load vertically downward is equal to total upward, that is one tension, another tension, here one tension, here one tension. All tensions are acting vertically upward, that's why there are 4 tension. Okay, equation number 1. And now here the end way of the string where effort is acting, there will also be a tension opposite to this effort. So here this effort will be equal to T, equation 2nd. Now mechanical advantage, thus mechanical advantage will be equal to load upon effort, that's why 4T upon T. This is your 4, or okay, Rn, sorry, we don't write it N. Mechanical advantage is equal to 4. Okay, in general, for n number of pulleys, for n number of pulleys used in block and tackle system, this mechanical advantage will be given by, for n number of pulleys, since here 1, 2, 3, 4 pulleys we have used, so we are getting a mechanical advantage 4. So if we use n number of pulleys in block and tackle system, then its mechanical advantage will be equal to n. Okay, means equal to number of pulleys. Here the mechanical advantage in block and tackle system is equal to number of pulleys used in block and tackle system. Okay, now its velocity ratio. Now velocity ratio. Okay, see velocity ratio. So see how will you find velocity ratio? So if displacement, here let displacement of load is equal to x, here displacement of load is equal to x. So if this load is displaced by x along upward direction, its center, since these 2 pulleys are movable here, okay, so if displacement of load is x, therefore displacement of effort, since there is a single rope passing over all of the pulleys, so due to the effect of this movable pulleys, the displacement of effort will be 4x. Okay, thus this is your equation number 1, 2, 3, this is 4. So this is equation 5, this is equation number 6, 5, 6. Thus velocity ratio is equal to displacement of an effort upon displacement of load. This is equal to 4x upon x. This cancelled out. Here you will get 4. Velocity ratio is 4. So in general, thus in general, for n number of pulleys, velocity ratio will be equal to n. Okay, thus efficiency. Now efficiency of block and tackle system is given by mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio. This is 4 upon 4, this is 1. So this here also efficiency will be equal to 1 or 100%. 1 or 100%. Okay. So I hope so that these all things are quite clear to everyone, that how we use block and tackle system, what is the mechanical advantage in the block and tackle system, and what is velocity ratio and its efficiency. Similarly, we can derive these all relations when we use one less number of pulleys here in lower block than the upper block. Thank you so much.